Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix VPN not connecting or not working on your iPhone iOS 18. So first up here, go to your settings and then go to airplane mode. Now in this case, we're going to enable the airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, you can disable this one. Next, you want to choose the internet connection here. So make sure that you have the stable internet connection. Next, go to General section. Then from here, scroll down until you find an option which says VPN and Device Management. And go and select the configuration profile here and remove all of the VPN profile. Once you've done, you can now restart your iPhone, and once you reopen your iPhone, go over and open the VPN app on your device and it should be fixed the issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.